So this hadith is narrated in Sunan al-Tirmidhi and also in Ibn Majah, Abu Dawood. It's an authentic hadith. The Prophet ﷺ said that whoever finishes eating his food and says, at the time of finishing his food, says, Alhamdulillahi alladhi at'amani hadha wa razaqnihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwa, which means all praises be to Allah who sustained me with this and granted this food to me without any doing of my own or without any power of my own. It's a complete acknowledgement of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's power and how you did absolutely nothing to deserve it, that it is all from the rizq of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the doing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Can you imagine that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever says this dua after finishing his food, غُفِرَ لَهُ مَا تَقَدَّمَ مِنْ ذَنْبِهِ, Allah will forgive him for all of his previous sins. Just because you ate and you acknowledged as you finished your food that it was not you that provided that for yourself, rather it was Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. SubhanAllah, all you have to do is be grateful as you eat and thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That brings about more rizq in your life, more sustenance in your life,